What's up, tubers? This is Ray, rwcweb.com. Ray worked computers since 1996. Okay, if you remember my past videos, this was my original lead capture page, okay, on my rwcweb.com. Now this is in a file. Okay, this is my main website. Eventually you're gonna have to have a website, okay? And I wanted to teach you some things about how to format certain things when it comes to affiliate marketing. Now, if you're like me, I jumped around like crazy with all different niches, try to do 100 of them at once. It doesn't always work. Honestly, it never works. I mean, unless you got a lot of time and a lot of money to put into it, okay? So basically, it's good to do the PLR products, okay? I'm a computer geek since the 90s, so, I make my own small software programs and HTML and different things like that, okay? Nothing too fancy, okay? And I've been doing it long enough to, write these programs, these ebooks on the subject, okay? Because, after all these years, you can't help but become an expert on the subject, okay? So now, this here I use with my Aweber account, okay? And a while back, Aweber, a lot of people didn't know about those types of email marketing programs and such, and a lot of us couldn't afford it, even now. So I got this program. It's called Your Email Form, okay? And I just want to show you how I format it a little bit. Now, when they put their email in here, okay, let me grab my email from my Gmail, okay? I'm going to show you how it works, okay? And then I'm going to show you how you can utilize it on just a simple landing page rather than a sales page like this, okay? Now from there, it's going to take them to the sales page, okay? Now don't forget, this was pretty much like a lander page that I was using, okay? It's for warming people up, trying to get people's email addresses and so forth, okay? Now it's going to take them here after that, and what it's going to do, it's going to be just like Aweber and all them. The only thing is, this is all yours, your own email account, your own software. Okay, so as you saw, I offered a free guide as a lead magnet here. Okay, let's just refresh that a second. Email marketing success. And when they go into their email, now there are times when I have an email list. There are times when you want to send your email list directly to the product, of course. You don't want them to keep getting your email, keep putting in their email, okay? So initially, for the trade-off, I give them this guide, they give me their email address, and then they get the trade-off in their email. Now you can send them directly to an affiliate link, okay? That's okay. Now if you could format the page and let them know that, they've submitted their link. I mean, they submitted their email, and you're gonna, basically send them to a landing page somewhere, okay, what they call a landing page. Okay, so let me just show you this simple form here. Okay, let me back the truck up a little bit. Okay, now this is the simplest form. Now let me get rid of this one out of my Gmail. Just going to delete that, okay. And this is basically the same form. Okay, I'm going to close this out. We're going to put that over there for now. Okay, this is basically the same form. Okay, and you can make this landing page like very, very simple. Okay, you can make that landing page very, very simple. Okay, now I'm in my Bluehost. Now a lot of these Bluehosts, I have a link in the description for Bluehost. They're fantastic. I've gone through so many hosting sites, it's unbelievable. I'm literally transferring all my domains from GoDaddy to Bluehost because GoDaddy is just ridiculous with the upsells, okay? So here's this file that I just showed you. Okay, here's this file. Okay. Now there's the form, HTML in there. Okay. And I'll show you that in another video. Right now I'm just showing you the simplicity of a landing page or lead capture page. Okay. Alright, so we already got the lead capture page made up. I'm going to get rid of this. Let me take this address because I'm going to use that picture. Okay, so we're going to go in here. And if you look here, this is actually a subdomain. This is on a subdomain. It's I think I can move this up a little bit for you. Okay, see subdomain yef.youremailform.com. Okay, that's a subdomain that this lead capture page is on. Okay, now when they go from here, you're going to land here. Now in the program, you can edit this. This is just a short message. Okay, you can edit this link. Now from here, you can either put your affiliate link in here. Okay, but you really want to let them know that they're going to get their free gift, their free download. Okay, so you can put that in here as well. Okay, this is in the PHP file that comes with the program. And in the video series I show you, when you buy the program, I have extensive videos on how to do this. But for today, I'm just showing you how to do a landing page and let people know. Okay, now this is where they're going to wind up. Okay, after they click that button. So that file is right here. I'm going to edit it real quick. Okay, and these back-end editors, they're just like almost like a word processor. Okay, so we're going to leave that. We're going to do one column. We're going to do 790 width. Okay, one column, no border, center. Okay, boom. Did I make a mistake? Okay, so we got the. Alright, now we're going to say your free download or gift or guide. It's really a guide. It's way to your inbox. Okay, and from here, basically, you're going to want to. I don't want to make this video too long. Okay, I don't want to let that stand out a little bit. And we're going to go into cell properties. And let's pick a color, background color, choose. And we're going to go, I want to make that, let's do a red. I like a red. Okay. Okay, and text color, we're going to make yellow. Boom, and we're going to make that a little bit more biggy-wiggy. We're going to make it bold. We're going to make it a little bit bigger. Maybe 22. Let's save it. Let's take a look at it. Okay, so that's pretty good. Now, from here is where you want to go upsell them. Okay. And from here, you're going to want to put like a big heading. I'm going to stop this video for a second and go get some copy for this real quick. Alright, sorry about that. Let me just go ahead and put this together. Now, I just copied and pasted this right from the website itself, okay? Now, these are usually more elaborate, okay? I'm going to take this picture, copy the image address, okay, and I'm going to put the image, URL, I'm going to be 300. Okay, so that image was not the best. Let me see if I can find one. Where it is, the one with the lighter background. And if you wanted to make this background, black, you could do that too, just to get rid of that. Now always remember when you're doing copy and paste, you don't want to delete that. Okay. So that's basically what you're going to be doing. This is probably going to change my format on this. Okay, that's basically what you're going to be doing. And then from here, you're going to want to send them, let's make this a little smaller. Let's say 300. Okay. And then basically you're going to go, Alright, so we're going to make that, we want to make that big. And it's going to be a link. So we're going to link it to this page. That's the actual sales page. Okay. And so forth. Save it. Save it. Refresh. Okay, and there it is. Now it's a little discombobulated. We're going to make this a heading 2. That looks awesome. Okay, and then you can make it as elaborate as you like from here. Okay, so remember the process. The lead capture page, you can go to an affiliate link directly. I don't recommend that. The only time I send the direct links is when I'll use, like I'll send an email blast out to my email list and use direct affiliate links that way. Even then, you're going to want to soft sell them and send them to maybe an informational page. Yeah, that was easy to say, huh? Okay. So that's my new software with your email form. Okay. I try to make it as reasonable as possible. If you send me an email through any one of my platforms, YouTube channel, or just go to my site and get my email. It's contact@rwcweb.com, and I'll give you a nice discount. Let me know that you saw this video, okay? So this is Ray, the old DOS geek, Rayware Computers, since 1996. going to ask you to like and subscribe and hit that notification, because that's what YouTube tells me to tell you guys.